Hi guys, welcome to Frickin' Jeep. We have just been whittling away at that stuff up there, but I wanted to cut up the slabs. Now I cut the first two slabs, but then I just got this slab, so I figured I'd bring it along and see how I do that. It's not really too rough. Hardest thing is going to be starting that old chainsaw. I need to talk to somebody about this thing. It never wants to start. It kind of like vapor locks or something. I don't know. Once it runs, it's all right. Well, we got heavy in here. Ain't gonna get around that chunk. Put this up in here nice and pretty, and this will be good for next year's winter. And I still got room for the next slab, and that's why I take heavy slabs. Those slabs, that junk goes down underneath there, gets stuck and gets messed up and falls down your sawdust pit, and it all does create headaches. Cut a heavy slab, burn it for firewood or whatever. This is a short, I guess. Or as Mark would call it, a snack. Yeah, it doesn't take too long to cut up a piece of slab. I'm still trying to get steel to gift me, like they gift a lot of people. They just gave Mike Morgan a new, I think a 661, I don't know, chainsaw. I'm sure that they gave it to him. Not positive, but pretty good. He's a good guy. He deserves it. But I want a top saw. I want one of the electric top saws because I use that top saw all the time. And it's a very handy saw, lightweight, strong, but it has some kind of a lock in it. Now it'll start real easy, okay? But when it sits, it cools down. It's like it's got so much compression in there, and maybe that's what it is. It didn't have the compression like that when I first got it because it didn't do it. My original one was a 020T. That one was stronger than this one. That was a little bit better saw than that one, to be honest with you. Anyhow, this board here, I have a place for it. I think I have a place for a few of them. That's why I cut them. And I'm about ready to measure, but I'm going to keep it a secret from you. How about that? Anyhow, this is, old man's out of breath. Look at them lights. That worked out pretty good. We're running on the inverter. Sawing pretty good. So I got, between the last video and this, oh, not this video, I guess this kind of counts. I'm counting up the slab wood. You don't have an hour into that log yet. So it doesn't take too long to cut one. And I don't know whether I showed you that I'm exactly where, I think I did on the last video. I don't remember one video to the next. But look at that. There's the heart right there. Yeah, I know I showed you that. So now I'm going to walk down and on diggity dog it and get it ready to flop, and we will bring you down. I put the pterodactyl, I took the pterodactyl out, if you saw it in the last video. If not, come watch the pterodactyl flip them logs. I grabbed onto that one log. I grabbed onto this log, just picked it up off there. That pterodactyl is pretty strong, especially when you put those feet down. It's very, very strong. So come on over, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. This is just a filler in between sawmills, so you'll get a break one night, and I'm still trying to do the sawing on a sawmill one night, and then hodgepodge whatever I can dig up for the in-between. So we will see you later. I'm glad you stopped by. Hit the like button, subscribe, and send it to a friend. Bye-bye.